this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Vietnam. This is Jan's pho beef. So that's what's happening today. Comes in a plastic bowl with a plastic lid. And it also includes its own free of charge fork for those who are interested in a fork. Here's what the noodle looks like. That you can see there. And yeah. So I had a really good birthday. I'm really happy about that. There's going to be things to see of the birthday happening shortly. Well, it came with a fork, but I think I threw the fork away because I'm in the kitchen and I really don't need a fork. I'm not on the go. I'm not walking down the street holding a cup of noodles. But, yeah. There's our soup base. And our liquid alpha liquid. It's not a beta liquid. Yeah. So there goes that. And then we've got our, I guess this is our beta liquid. There's 2 liquid sachets in this, which is kind of interesting. I don't think that's usually the deal. But as you can see, maybe, on the sachet here, it says beef on, and so it's made for this Jan's company by them, which is a prominent producer of, what do you call them? Vietnamese instant noodle varieties. Generally, this is the kind of pho that I'm not incredibly thrilled about, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Put the lid on it, starting her up. Actually, I want to make sure this is totally submerged. This stuff doesn't always hydrate all that well, so I want to give it every chance to do so. And yeah, we're getting going. It's getting booted up, as it were. Hopeful. Yeah, so had a nice birthday. They made me a cake. Cake was good. Had ice cream and cake. My wife was gonna make chimichangas last night, but I was like, you don't have to do that. She worked all day, came home, made a cake with the kids. It was like almost 9 o'clock before they got to bed, so it's just like tomorrow. And today is tomorrow, so maybe that'll happen. But if not, that's okay too. I ain't a pushy guy, unless it comes to like having to go to the store and get mung bean sprouts, and I like know that the store local to me right down the road isn't gonna have like great mung bean sprouts. Then I'm like, can we go to like the 99 Ranch Market? Who, by the way, is celebrating their 40th anniversary this month, I guess. And it's also the 10th anniversary. There was a big disaster here in Washington State. There's north of me, there's a place called Oso. And they had a rock slide, a mudslide. And all these houses that were at the bottom of this thing, like tons of people got killed, and it was horrible. And at the time, President was Obama, and he came out for it. And I remember there was like all this news about, and the president is going to arrive. Traffic is snarled on I-5 currently because of the presidential motorcade. It's like, so what? That's just how it works. But I guess, if you're commuting, you'd want to know. But anyways, people like to complain about things. But yeah, 10th anniversary of that. Pretty sad. And what else is going on today? It's March 15th, the Ides of March. So if your name is Caesar, I believe this is when Brutus kills you. I can't remember, but beware. Be a nice guy. Don't Don't angry the Romans. Don't give them the angry. But yeah, the weather is nice, man. It's really nice and warm and sunny and bright and good. And it was like yesterday in the morning I went out with my coat, and by the time I got home I was kind of sweaty. And then I was able to go out yesterday afternoon and it was just fine. T-shirt and shorts weather. And today I went out in t-shirt and shorts and kind of a little chilly to begin with, and then it was like really nice. So yeah, been waiting for this weather. I'm a sun worshiper, so yeah, that's the deal. But here is our biff. I really gotta say, I love how the French spell the word beef. B-O-E-U-F. It just sounds like some kind of weird thing. So right off the bat, I'm gonna say right now that I've never ever gone to a pho restaurant. Pho, I mean, it's so hard not to call it pho. But I've never gone anywhere and had noodle that looks like this whatsoever. It's usually thicker, much better. But cheers. It's hydrated. Here's our broth. That might be a TVP beef. TVP beef. Mm-hmm. The broth isn't bad. And there is vegetable, which I like. It's all right. Very salty. Beefish. With beef. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one. I don't know, this kind of screams to me like perfect bowl for doing pho reviews. It was great. I went to this place last week and I found all sorts of Vietnamese varieties that I haven't either reviewed in a long time or never seen before, which is like, I prefer doing the I have never seen before. I've been doing a lot lately that I haven't reviewed in a long time, like in like a decade or, you know, had it, but they changed the stuff on the packaging or this or that. So. But yeah. Oh, I'll do this thing that like really pissed this guy off once. So here's that. There's that. And I put like a blob of sriracha in it, and it like just made this guy lose his cool. He's like, "You're ruining that pho. You don't just put it in there, you dip it in the pho." Crushed red pepper. Yeah, I don't know why. Some people just. Oh wait, did I get rid of it? Oh, I got rid of my sriracha. It was kind of old. Yeah, sometimes I get rid of sauces and go like, yeah, I need to get more sauce. A little sesame seed, I don't think that really belongs in there, but why not? Yeah. Yeah, here we are. I'm stoked. I'm stoked. So you should be too. Be stoked. All right, thanks for watching. The next one I got is this Haichi Ja variety right here. This is a broad noodle, kind of like a byung, and it's got a picture of Bobby Yip on the side. Yeah. Everybody's favorite guy with a bowl haircut. Anyways, this is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yes, I know that episode the other day I forgot to hit stop on the camera. I just figured screw it. I'll let you guys watch what I do after my reviews. But it really wasn't exciting, was it? Anyways, have a good one. Bye-bye.